But Honorable President, we want to urge you, President. We want to urge you to enter the serious debate of undocumented foreigners in our country, Honorable President. Our cities, Honorable President, have seen unprecedented marches of citizens raising concerns about undocumented immigrants. Ours is to state this clearly, Honorable President. We refuse to be against all foreign citizens, but we agree that undocumented foreigners who entered our country legally must leave our country peacefully. Once more, President, we want to make it clear we are not against foreigners, but we can't tolerate people we don't know how they came in our country, what they need in our country, what they are doing in our country, and where they stay in our country, President. So, President, we urge you to enter the debate and allow us to ensure the new immigration laws and the immigration bill that is currently in public participation mode, that it must be utilized to be the final document to resolve this matter once and for all. And those that have given foreigners up until the 30th of June to leave our country we want to emphasize the point that this must be done orderly and through the processes of the law in our country. President, let me take this opportunity to thank you, President, for intervening with the Minister of Social Development. But we want to urge you, President, don't stop there, President. Don't stop there, President. There is a certain minister, President, that the country assigned him a task to develop an AI policy. He used AI to develop a policy of the country. Then they have the audacity to come here, Honorable President. There is a member here representing the Democratic Alliance, came here to say, cry the beloved Matlosana. She forgot to say, cry the beloved country where policies developed through artificial intelligence. But we want to go further than that, Honorable President. That the same minister that is developing an artificial intelligence policy of our country through AI, he wants to sell the security of our country by trying to scrap BEE so that their friends in America can come and invest here. We say no, President. We say no, President. Our country is not for sale. And that the policies of this country will be defended at all costs, whatever it takes, Honorable President. So don't stop there, President. There is another minister in the basic education sector who think that he can allow a company that was established 3 days to get a tender to print books for our children. Must not allow that, President. And we have to be firm against any form of corruption. These are the same people who are saying this government is corrupt. They come to government, instead of assisting us to fight corruption, they do corruption themselves. Will not allow that, President. And they must know we have a president that is decisive. We have a president that can intervene. And we have a president that can fire them if they misbehave, President. President, I want to take this opportunity to wish Bafana Bafana well as they go to the World Cup. We say to Bafana Bafana, Ndizani Bafana Bafana, bring that World Cup back home where it belongs. Thank you so much for your attention.
Foreigners, you deserve better life, better future in your countries. Nivotela kanjani abantu baniqeda lapho kubavotela nibashiyeni babalekele. Maniqeda lapho niba namandla yokuyolwa impizweni kwamanye amazwe. Nikhona uthatha ifoni, nithatha icamera nishude nikhuluma udodi ngabantu abaniphuthile. Abantu abanishelthile. We sheltered you. Ugovernment uyahluleka ukunishelter. Ni shelterwa yithi. Sininakekele, we take care of you. We do everything for you. Sinamkele. But you can't fight your government. You're gonna fight us. Wani lona ama-South African kahle kahle. Fana nganikhuzwa ama-South African ukuthi into swasi sayifuni. Senihambe ukufikela lapha senisicikile. Le energy ninayo thatha amafoni nishude nithona nama-South African. Ake nithathe amafoni. Angithi nibalekile nisemazweni nokwabanye amazwe. Nibalekela ama-politician. Uzokuthola kuphi? Uzokuthola phi ngoba uyathatha uyabatshela ukuthi hey into sona semazweni yethu kuso. Angeke amazwe amaningi angaka unfail guys, angeke. Almost 58 countries in South Africa abantu bakhona babephuwa bonke abahlupheka bagijime kwamanye amazwe. Thina South Africans khona ukuzimela, siyavota siphinde simtshele umuntu ukuthi lento asiyifunda, that's bullshit. We stand up for ourselves. And nama-politician ayekele ukuthi hey basiphutha kwamazwe angaphandle, hey basiphutha amazwe angaphandle. They were also cowards. Ngeke ukuthi kuliwe ezweni lakho wena ubaleke uye kwelinye ilizwe. Ubuye impilo iphelile sitshela ukuthi wena bawuphuthiwe ko-Tanzania kobani. So fanele sithengiswe ngabantu labo manje ukuthi naniphuthiwe. Kwakuphuthwe 2-3 South African only politician. Nothi sonke thina. Ni aware ukuthi ne South Africa noma kungaba nzima sesihlaselwa yini la kunala sobalekela khona. You are aware ukuthi akunala sizo yakhona thina. You are stuck here in South Africa. Even it can be difficult na asigcwala ngamazwe thina eMzansi. Thina eMzansi siya ngokuyosebenza, siya ngokuyofunda. Emazweni angaphandle siya ngokuyofunda. Siya ngokuyosebenza, siya ngokuyovula amabhizinisi. That's it. Nizile la South Africa sanamkela sanifaka endlini zethu. Nafika navula izitolo sathenga, nafika nathengisa ama-veg nathunga icathulo sanisupporta. Nisupporto yithi. Some of you, they've got cars, they've got houses, they've got niropa ama-South African. Because of South African, nashada bosisi bethu. Maniqeda kubashada nabatshela ukuthi they are useless. They are cheap. Angithi. Bona bazitshela ukuthi bathola amasoka. Bathola amadoda, bathola abafazi kanti niyabathuka ngapha nidlala ngabo. Nibasebenzisela for citizenship. Nisiyuzile. And so we have to raise our voice. South African voice must be heard. Ne government mayekela ukwamela ama-foreigner, political party mayekela ukumela ama-foreigner because one day le ma-foreigner lawo azosiqosha. We're gonna be nothing in this country. They are gonna chase us out. Sizohlala egangeni ezweni lethu bona bakhupha izindlu zethu. Izofika lapho. Umntana mamthanda ummele egangeni kamakhelwane uyakudisappoint ugcina kubulele ngakusasa. Naba ngithi babamela. Abalanda bana abanikazi becountry. Laba babamelayo baba disappoint one day. Bayongena bangena nako santini la kuhlala khona ama-politician bamoshe babakhiphe ezindlini. So besihlala nama-politician eqadeni egangeni sikhishwa ama-foreigners. Manje ngafundi foreigner, fundani foreigner ngomlungu. Umlungu wafika la South Africa la wathola awukhokho bethu. Bamamukela umlungu, wayenzani umlungu? They chase our forefathers in their country. They take everything for our forefathers. Even today they rule the South Africa. Ngoba bamukelwa ngezandla ezimhlophe ama-forefathers wethu. Sibamukele. Babamukele namhlanje bakuphi? Kunzima manje thina sinalutho bona they've got everything. Siyigcila zabo thina because ngespirit of ubuntu sokwamukela abantu bokufika. Masingafundanga kokhokho bethu. Nani sinamukele sihleli nani almost 33 years. And ukuthi sicale siyenzele kube nama-operation Dudula nabo March and March Pity South African First is because of you. It's because of izenzo zeni nabanye ezingekho right. Seni comfortable ezweni lethu manje. Senibona kahle fanele nisibulale nisinqoma amakhanda nisipheke nivule ilaha nithengisa umuntu. Yinto fanele sithule thina sihlala nabantu abanjalo because okwamanje asinazi ukuthi emazweni nisuka nenzeni le some of you akunakuthi kunzima emazweni nenza ama crime le nabaleka nenza la eMzansi. niyenza ama-crime serious crimes, then nisifihlile la. South Africa is not a hideout for criminals. It's a country for South African. South Africa belongs to South African. Ukuthi umuntu omnyama la nomuntu omnyama kulwa wonke amazwe, even nabelungu labahlala khona bayalwa, amandiya bayalwa, baluswa ama-foreigner. Ama-foreigner nje wonke amazwe ayinkinga. Nathi South Africa yonke masingaphuma mhlambe saya kwamanye amazwe, safika safuna ukubusa, still kusazoliwa. Akekho umuntu ozovuma ukucontrol ezweni lakhe. Akekho thina lezwe lethu siyalwela, lalo labo abomkhulu bethu namanje sizolwela. You gonna fight for this country. That's why South Africa isasimeme ngoba sina South Africans siyabambana. Silwisane ngoba niyasiprovoke. Anginasiprovoke. If you never provoke South African, musinganandaba nani. Nifikile singazi into zeni, nifika nama saloon. Then sinisupportile kula ma saloon. Then nasifundisa nathi we own saloons. Sifunda into eziningi ukuthi sokufika wa change out ukuze abanye singabazi ababuya kwamanye amazwe nokudelela kwabo njengoba kukhala ngama Nigeria amazwe wonke. Hayi. Ake niziphathini kahle manifika kwamanye amazwe nikele ukudelela bese nizokhala ngokuthi black against black. Umuntu omnyama ulisa umuntu oblack. Nomlungu ezweni lakhe uyamlisa umlungu. India liyalwisa umlungu, iChina liyamlisa, iPakistan njengoba beze ngapha nabo nani nilwa nodwa lemazweni wenu. Maka nifuna ukuthi la South Africa nibe comfortable. Go and make peace in your country. Ambani emazweni wenu nifike nenze peace. You deserve better in your countries. You deserve freedom in your countries, not in South Africa. Man kontathi phone la South Africa nikhuluma shit ngama South African unsheltile, unputhile ama South African. Why can't you talk shit about your government? Ukuthi nitotana vote nogcola amazwe wonke lapha nihlukunyezwe, nithi niyahlukunyezwa, ngithi nihlukunyezwa amanye amazwe. Fight your government. That energy you have. Fight your government with that energy. Ledatha lelo nalo lama wafayini bhatala ngawo ukuthi nishude nithuka ama South African. Shudani nikude nelizwe nini. Batsheleni ukuthi hey kuso. Ngiyamangala futhi mabazonilwelani la eSouth Africa. Bahlule kuni protector nile emazweni. They fail to protect you. Ama South African masawa manje they stand up for you. They said come back home. Hayibo guys, mani nganga. Ikhona into government wethu angeke asitshele yona. Niyabona lamazwe la kudala kuliwa. Bano 50 years kunezimpi namhlanje. There's a war in those countries. Impi yakhona ayipheli. Nazi lempi yaqala kuphi? Iqalwe ngama foreigner abangisa abantu balapho umhlaba wabo. Iqale njengala. Kuthatha ama foreigner ayamukela thulela ama foreigner alwisa bona ukuthi mabahambe. They must go. Izoyenzeka nala eMzansi. La eMzansi, in 10 years to come. Mangabe sabe saphila. They're gonna say to us foreigners, you must go. Sizoyapi? Sina sizoya kuphi? Because akunala sizoya khona thina. Sizoya kuphi thina? Mbuzo umile. Basazosixosha, bazoxosha kwasa politician kwasani, baza bangasancengi. Bayoxosha kwasani, usopolitiki yofola na iline yamasobho. Yolala na isigangeni. Top politician, top businessman, top richest labo sikufunda ngabe emaphepheni esizana sizabe sihlele nabo. Sihlele egangeni sibalekile ezweni lethu. Mabangaboni ukuthi kukhulukeza. Angizwisisi guys, I don't understand. Ukuthi labantu bokufika bonke bashiye amazwe beza ngapha eMzansi. Bandlula amazwe wonke beze eMzansi. Bashiya abantu abababekile ekhundleni ba comfortable. Badle izambane lika Pondo. Babashiya nezingane zabo ba comfortable. Beza lapha eMzansi. Sabamukela thina ama South African. Because ugovernment vele wayenza imithwalo yethu. Uthi mabeze ngapha aba document mara yana akafunda imithwalo. Akusumthwalo they are about it. Yithi aba shelter, yithi ababona ukuthi bahlala phi bayenzani. Ugovernment akanandaba. And angeke abathatha bese kuma suburbs wabo. Angeke. Uma kabaletha ba integrate la kithi emalokishini ukuthi siphile nabo. So siphilile nabo. Manje ang understand ukuthi bakufanele mabafika la balwe izimpi nama country wabo. Balwe izimpi. Angithi ku street ama country wabo ukuthi makukhuluma ngepolitiki uyanqunywa uyenzani. They are far from them. They can take the phone and record about them. Talk anything about umhlaba wonke ukuthi babaphethe kanjani. Even today asazi ukuthi kwenzakalani emazweni wabo. Bayikhiphe secret because basabe ukukhuluma. But laba phutho khona eMzansi abasabe ukukhuluma. Makufanele bathi enough is enough kula mazwe wabo. Bazothi enough is enough eSouth Africa. How can they say enough is enough eSouth Africa? Bahluleke ukuthi enough is enough emazweni wabo. Ebantwini abaphuthile. Labantu babuye bazovula abashop ukuthenga abobani South Africans. Sibasupportile labantu laba kakhulu. Nalama Pakistan idolo zakhona azifika ngazahlala emoyeni, zifika zahlala emalokishini emajaridini wethu. Today some of landlords baseyinkingeni ukuthi bazobasho ukuthi baqashise abantu bokufika ani aware kodwa abangani appreciate bazothaba indawo ngitshele nje masenya lesengiya eMalawi or eUganda mase bathi buyele ekhaya ngithi angiyindawo shokuthi I'm out of my mind mhlawumbe ngizabe ngekho right ekhanda ngishiye eSouth Africa kunekhaya ngihlala kahle kuna yonke into. I understand yazi ukuthi ufike kwelenye ilizwe uzothi enough is enough. Abantu baleli lizwe kuphela abanekade ukuthi enough is enough. Abantu base South Africa mabathi bayema and angeke nibenze lutho. Nalama politician aloku anikhohlisa ukuthi azonidocumenta, they are lying. Aloku they put you first than their citizens, these politicians. Ngedudula you were displaced. Kwakungekho nje manje at least ababashana basebenza peaceful march. Ngedudula we were displaced. Nathathwa nayobekwa emaholweni kwathwani be safe. Kodwa igovernment kunokuthi nithathini isekelo lamasabhabha azange nithathe yanisa. Inthathe yanibeke emaholweni asemalokishini. Mayiqeda yabuya futhi masokuphelile indaba ze operation Dudula yazoni integrate futhi kulabantu laba nithi bazinofobik. Yanibusela futhi emphakathini. Lo xenophobic nibe senthi labantu labanikhathalela bese nithi banikhathalela labo bantu labo then sanithatha futhi sanamkela impilo yaqhubeka. You started again after 10 years. Niyaqala futhi kuma social media nikhuluma udoti then nivusa okunye futhi kuzaphela omash and mash niqale futhi angithi nisile emthethweni nisa kwamanye amazwe anise emazweni wenu nihlula abantu okufanele nibalwisa kufanele nibatshela idoti. Abantu abasizayo kaningi yazi bayakujikela. Umuntu omsizayo kaningi uyakujikela. Thina sibulawa ispirit of ubuntu eSouth Africa. Sibulawa ispirit of ubuntu. Sini support la sasa support nakulabafundisi bama fake. Ithe masini support nabona ukuthi lemasontweni sebangena nasidlisa inwele nasidlisa inyoka nasidlisa nasidlisa amatshali nasidlisana. Nabuya nozoba izangoma ze fake nakhi ihlahla nasilahlisa ama 5000 egangeni ukuthi inyanga ithi phutheli 5000 ngendo angebovu then uyelahle isigangeni ungabheke emuva inyanga ithathe leyo mali. You become rich ngokuskema. Abanye ni rich nje ngathi nisiskemile nasiskema but we never cared. Abanye abanazindlu ncinca abafundisi namhlanje. Abanye solo kwahlalisa emasontweni bathathola ama package. They have nothing because of foreign pastors. Then niyabuya futhi nina nizosithuka futhi. Kuthi yonke idodi enizenayo thina siyamkele. Yonke le dodi enizenayo thina singenile sayi chance. Yonke le dodi singenile saba nani kule dodi yonke leyo. But an appreciate niyakwazi lokho. You don't appreciate. Sometimes you must learn how to appreciate. Kube le tolo zama Pakistan bathengisela abantwana bethu shevu but they still selling, we still buying in those shops. Bangaka abantwana abashonile badla ukudla kwama Pakistan but we are still buying in those shops because thina sinandaba. Thina sibeka ukuthi siqhubeke phambili ngempilo. Mara ungasiqali izweni lethu. Ungasiqali, go to say enough in your country. Ama president wenu wena relaxile 53 countries nje relaxile nje kumnandi anibukele. Labantu banemali bakhona lokunikhipha amabhanoyi. Bebamele ukuthi kube nama machine mash before nikhipha amabhanoyi bathi nibuye ekhaya. Maniceda nithaniye. Why bangathathanga le mali amabhanoyi bathathe balungise leyo country? Hayi. Balungisela ama country. Ama country 53 wonke ngempela. Senga ama president. Bavilaphe. Manokuthi sasiyavilapha. Kuvilapha ama president wenu. That's why ngicela all over ngapha because your presidents are lazy. Abafuna ukusebenza badle imali corruption yonke into. Bacolela ukuthi ukuhlupheke nina. They put them first and their families, they not put you first. That's why kusona namhlanje. Nina ngicela nisilwisa kuleli zwe leli. Nigcina nisilwisa nisikhipha la kuleli zwe. Nisihambisa la nabantwana bethu. Masinganiyekela natanasa. Nifikile sinamukele nabona kumnandi nathi it's a banana country. Hey, South Africa is a banana country. Moyibona ukuthi banana country wayibona ngathuli. Uze ku social media ukhuluma udodi ukuthi it's a banana country. Hey, nina niyaphapha man. Hayi niyaphapha nina nibulaliswa yilo kuphapha lokho. Ngisakhuluma nana ngaba abashelthiwa ngeoperation Dudula abanye namhlanje basahlele emaholweni nathi today ugovernment akanandaba nabo. Akanandaba nabo government wabafaka abanye emphakathini babuyela kisaphila nabo. Abanye still namhlanje basahlele emaholweni. Maybe it's been close to 10 years basahlele emaholweni abantu labo. Akathi khona ukubathatha abashelter ko Sandton babe ngamaneighbor ukuthi wakhe ugovernment wayangakhona ukunithatha ama politician anihlalise ko Sandton. Anibuyisa kithi futhi elokishini ebantwini abazonophobic. Hayi inzima lento guys. 90% yabantu abasebenzayo la eMzansi kuma department wonke waka government wonke sports, agriculture, education ama foreign. 90% abasebenzela belungu abasebenzela amaNdiya abasebenzela amaChina ama foreign. 90% yabantu abasejele lapha eSouth Africa ama foreign. 90% ama partners abulala bobhuti bethu abulala bosisi bethu ama foreign. And ugovernment awakufuna ukuthi kushiwo lokho. They are foreigners. Ama South African abekho employed. For example, ungaya esibhedlela. Esibhedlela uthola udokotela bako Uganda azakutshela ukuthi I'm from Uganda. Mawuthi uyabheka ibhokas doctor kana maphepha. Udokotela onamaphepha ufunde for 7 years uhleli phasa akasebenzi. Kusebenza udokotela bangaphandle. Even nezikolo ama-teacher 90% ama-teacher amasebenza ama-foreign angena ama-documents. Ama-teacher asemzansi abuye emavasithi ahleli phansi. Nama-principal lawa aqosha abantwana bethu ezikolweni for just a little mistake. Ama-foreign. Qosha umntwana wenza grade 7 ahlale phasi kune-youth eloku ihleli phasi engasebenzi. Oloku yengeza uqosha abantwana ukuthi nabazoyengeza isihlalo sabantu abangasebenzi. They are foreigners. 90% abantu aba-own ama-company lapha eSouth Africa, they are foreigners. Lokho siyakwazi. And lapha eSouth Africa futhi kunekolo. Ikolo leso kuthiwa isikolo leso sifunda abantwana bokufika abangenama document. Wena mayibhalisa umntwana wakho kuleso sikolo ngikutshele uzofuna ama document. Kodwa kuthiwa isikolo sabantwana abangenama ID ababuya ngaphandle. Sikhona ikolo lezo and ezika government lezo kolo lezo ngitshele. Wena mathi ufunela umntwana esikoleni sa government kuthiwa angeke usuke extension bani extension 11 uyofunela umntwana extension 3 you must go to another a province uyofunela umntwana isikolo or uye kuSoweto mangabe uhlala esibukeni ukuthi hamba umfunele eSoweto asemthatha umntwana ama around kodwa ifo khona lifika lithathwe lingena phepha lingena next. 90% futhi ama foreigner asebenzayo anamaphepha eMzansi asebenza ngamaphepha abantu baseMzansi. Kwathi wathazi post ukuthi sifuna abantu lapha abantu bafaka ama CV kugcwale thathe lawo ama CV la kuqashwa ngama foreigner. Impilo esesiyiphila lapha eSouth Africa. Manje nisitshela ukuthi sibe quiet. Manje nijabulele ukuthi Malema uyanimela. Hey Malema in 10 years back wayethi akadufuni nihambe. Ngoba sesesamvotela thina ama South African. Makayibona manje ivote liyancipha usefuna ukundocumenta wala ama South African angena ama document angena ama ID. Usefuna ukuthi nimvotele manje thina useless kuyi. In 10 years to come makabona ukuthi abakhona ukundocument ama South Africans ayalo uzothi nihambe. Ama politician fanele niwazi siphila kulo mhlaba ama politician abanaqiniso umhlaba unje wonke ngenxa yawo. Umhlaba unje wonke ngabantu abazicabangela bodwa abaqabangela izisu zabo abangenandaba nomuntu. We are on our own. Mhlaba wonke we are on our own. Isikhathi sokuthi uzobheka ukuthi politician izokwakhela RDP politician izocreate umsebenzi ayasekho leso sikhathi. Kufanele sizimele thina try to create jobs for ourselves. Sizakhela izindlu. Yazi and we can make it. Uthatha isikhwama nje 1 rand siyakhona ukusizana emalokishini bantu. Kunabantu abakhiza indlu ngedokufela. Masingahlala phansi sayenza isikhwama singayicreate imisebenzi eyethu yama South Africans. Masingabambisana thina ugovernment bangasisabotage. We are on our own. Ukuthi uzothemba politician ukuthi ugesi uzoba right izosilethela ukuthi politician uzosakhela izindlela Forget about that. Labantu babheke izisu zabo, babheke nengane zabo. Nitshele. Phila leyo mpilo ke manje umhlaba wonke jikelele.
Hello Mzansi, welcome to Mgozi waseMzansi. This is Upumzile. She's sending a message to my foreigners living in SA. Also, they must go back to their countries by fighting their governments because Baba voted and now they are here in SA fighting South Africans by Baligile Bona Emavin Abo. Uti wrong kakhulu ama-foreigners because now they are saying ukuthi South Africans are xenophobic, sibe singekho xenophobic, but kungukuthi nje bona bafuna kufika South Africa batselele, and it's something lena ama-South Africans kumele isukumele because this is not it. Ngeke sivume kulawulwa abantu bokufika eSouth Africa. Uyasho ukuthi ngalinye ilanga ngisho ama-foreigners athi sicoshe eSouth Africa athi akuhlale bona ndlela ubona baningani ngakhona the way batselela ngakhona ma-South Africans. Do comment your thoughts down on the comment section. What do you think ngalolu xoxa khona ngipomzele mina nawe siyibonana kule video. I'm signing out. Goodbye.